Hey guys, it's LeBlanc. Welcome back to my kitchen. On today's episode of Study Hall, I will be teaching you how to take your cinnamon toast crunch game to the next level with some simple Cinnadust recipes. So the first treat I have for you guys today are Cinnadust topped waffles. Now you may have had regular waffles before, but these are gonna blow your mind. Let's get started. First ingredient is 1 2/3 cups of Annie's organic pancake and waffle mix. I mean, of course we're gonna use this one. Come on. There it goes, in the bowl. Smells so good. Next up, we have milk. 1 1/3 cups. Perfect. 1 egg. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And you know that we love cinnamon, so and a splash of vanilla extract. Boom, that's it. Let's whisk it together. Guys, this is smelling good already and we haven't even cooked it. We're mixing. All right, we are about to cook this, but wait until you see how we customize it after. All right, guys, let's do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Fill it in enough so you don't see the bottom of the waffle maker. Close it and we're cooking. All right, it is time. Here we go. Look at her. Beautiful. All right, so we are gonna take this waffle from yummy to extraordinary. First up, a little bit of butter. Let's make it sweet, a little bit of syrup. You might not expect it, but a little bit of whipped cream. Boop. Maybe a little bit more. And finally, to finish this masterpiece, I am topping it off with Cinnadust. Voila, here it is. And we're gonna make a Cinnadust smoothie that goes perfect with this. Pay attention because I'm going to go fast. This is the Cinnadust smoothie. Sliced bananas. Just one more. Get out of the bowl. There we go. A little bit of yogurt. Almond milk. Vanilla extract. Some cinnamon. All natural peanut butter. And you know we have to do it again. A little bit of Cinnadust. Yum. Let's blend it. Oh. Look at that. That looks good to me. All right, guys, let's see how it looks. Oops, my bad. Wow. I have 2 toppings for you, chocolate chips and Cinnadust. Boom. Boom. Wow. A little bit more Cinnadust. Just a little bit more. Can never go wrong with more Cinnadust. So, as you can see, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is way more than just a cereal. It can be used as an ingredient in so many countless delicious recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I encourage you to try some of these Cinnadust specialties, and I'll see you next time. Bye.